Hello students, we see here one example of second principle of induction. Our example is prove that integer n can be expressed as product of positive primes for n is greater than or equal to 2. We have to prove that the number n, integer number n, it can be expressed as product of positive primes. So n can be written in the form of product of positive primes for n is greater than or equal to 2. So here we use the second principle of mathematical induction. For this principle, we have to prove this result for n is equal to 2. Okay, since the value of n is starting from 2. Our statement let p of n is n can be expressed as product of primes for n greater than or equal to 2. N is the number. The number n can be expressed as product of primes. We have to prove this result for n is equal to 2. Okay, so here we can write n is equal to p1 into p2 into p3 up to pr where all pi's are primes. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. n can be written in the form of product of primes where p1 into p2 p2 p3 pr all are primes. Now for step 1, for n is equal to 2, for n is equal to 2, the number n is equal to 2, the number 2 is prime number. You know, all of you know that n is equal to 2 and 2 is the prime number. So the result is hold for n is equal to 2. A number 2 is itself is prime, therefore our result is hold for n is equal to 2. Therefore our first step will be completed. Now we assume that our result is true for k where 2 is less than k is less than m. We assume that our statement is true for the k n is equal to k where 2 is less than k is less than m. That means for less than m number our statement is valid. Okay, that means for less than m numbers any integer can be expressed as product of primes. Now we have to prove this result for n is equal to m. We have to prove that the result is n is equal to m where m is the integer. We can prove that the integer m can be expressed as product of primes. If m is itself a prime number, suppose m is the prime number, then our result is clear. जर m हा नंबर स्वतःच प्राईम असेल तर तो प्राईमच्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये लिहू शकतो. सो अवर रिझल्ट इज ट्रू. बट इफ एम इज नॉट प्राईम नंबर, पण एम हा नंबर जर प्राईम नसेल तर काय होईल? इफ एम इज प्राईम देन रिझल्ट इज होल्ड, बट एम इज नॉट प्राईम. इफ इट इज नॉट प्राईम देन द एम इज कंपोजिट. जर एम हा नंबर प्राईम नसेल तर तो कसा असणार आहे? कंपोजिट. कंपोजिट नंबर में इट कॅन बी एक्सप्रेस ॲज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इंटीजर, देन इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज कंपोजिट नंबर. सो that is 6 can be expressed as 6 is equal to 2 into 3. That means 6 is a composite number. Okay, so m is the composite number. M is a composite number, that means m is a product of two integer. m हा composite number आहे म्हणजे तो टू इंटीजरच्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये आपण लिहू शकतो. ओके, सो हिअर वी राईट m is equal to r into s. M is equal to R into S, where both R and S are less than M. R is less than M, S is less than M, and RS belongs to Z. Z is the set of integer. And so M can be written as M is equal to R into S, where both R and S belongs to Z, and both R and S are less than M. Okay. ओके, म्हणजे इथे आपण दाखवलं तसं 6 is equal to 2 into 3, where 2 and 3 both are integers, both are belongs to Z, and 2 and 3 both are less than Z. Similarly here R and S are less than M. But our statement is valid for less than M numbers. R is less than M, S is less than M. That means our statement is valid. That means R and S both can be expressed as product of primes. आर आणि एस हे दोन्ही नंबर एमपेक्षा लहान आहेत आणि एमपेक्षा लहान असणाऱ्या नंबरसाठी स्टेटमेंट व्हॅलिड आहे. दॅट मीन्स आर अँड एस आर एक्सप्रेस ॲज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राईम्स. सो वी कॅन राईट आर इज इक्वल टू R1 into R2 into R3 up to Ri, where all R1 to Ri's are prime numbers. R can be expressed as product of primes. Also S can be expressed as product of primes since it is also less than M. So S can be written as S is equal to S1 into S2 up to Sj, where all R1 to Ri's and S1 to Sj are primes. Okay, therefore the equation 1 becomes, therefore our equation 1 means M is equal to R into N. So our equation m is equal to r into s, it can be written as m is equal to r1 r2 up to ri into s1 f2 up to sj. Okay, but all these numbers are primes. r1 r2 ri प्राइम्स आहेत, s1 s2 अप टू sa प्राइम्स आहेत. दॅट कॅन बी, म्हणजेच काय म्हणणार आपल्याला, m कॅन बी रिटन ॲज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स. m हा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्सच्या फॉर्ममध्ये आपण लिहिला आहे. दॅट मीन्स अवर स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू फॉर n इज इक्वल टू m. Okay, so we prove this result for n is equal to 2. Then we assume that our statement is true for k, where k is less than m and greater than 2, and we prove that our statement is true for n is equal to m. That means by second principle of mathematical induction, our statement is true for all n greater than equal to 2. Okay.